Hi, welcome. In this video we learn HTML text formatting. HTML contains several elements for defining text with a special meaning. HTML formatting elements. Formatting elements were designed to display special types of text. V. Bold text. Strong, important text. I. Italic text. M. Emphasized text. Mark, marked text. Small, smaller text. Del, deleted text. Ins, inserted text. Sub, subscript text. Sup, superscript text. HTML-B and strong elements. The HTML-B element defines bold text, without any extra importance. Example. The HTML strong element defines text with strong importance. The content inside is typically displayed in bold. Example. HTML-I and M elements. The HTML-I element defines a part of text in an alternate voice or mood. The content inside is typically displayed in italic. Tip: the I tag is often used to indicate a technical term, a phrase from another language, a ship name, etc. Example. The HTML-M element defines emphasized text. The content inside is typically displayed in italic. Tip: a screen reader will pronounce the words in M with an emphasis, using verbal stress. Example. HTML small element. The HTML small element defines smaller text. Example. HTML small element. The HTML small element defines smaller text. Example. HTML mark element. The HTML mark element defines text that should be marked or highlighted. Example. HTML del element. The HTML del element defines text that has been deleted from a document. Browsers will usually strike a line through deleted text. Example. HTML and element. The HTML and element defines a text that has been inserted into a document. Browsers will usually underline inserted text. Example. HTML sub-element. The HTML sub-element defines subscript text. Subscript text appears half a character below the normal line, and is sometimes rendered in a smaller font. Subscript text can be used for chemical formulas, like H2O. Example. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and ensure you press the bell icon.